Welcome to AN Studies. Today's topic is Geography 6th class NCERT Chapter 6 Major Landforms of the Earth. We'll go through the important points of this chapter. These landforms are a result of two processes. The first are the internal process that leads to the upliftment and sinking of the Earth's surface at several places. The second is external process, is the continuous wearing down and rebuilding of the land surface. The wearing away of the earth's surface is called erosion. The surface is being lowered by the process of erosion and rebuilt by the process of deposition. These two processes are carried out by the running water, ice and wind. Broadly, we can group different landforms depending on elevation and slope as mountains, plateaus and plains. Mountains. A mountain is any natural elevations of the earth's surface. It is considerably higher than the surrounding area. Some mountains are even higher than clouds. In some mountains, there are permanently frozen rivers of ice. These are called glaciers. Mountains may be arranged in a line known as range. The Himalayas, the Alpha, and the Andes are mountains ranges of Asia, Europe, and South America, respectively. There are three types of mountains: fold mountains, black mountains, and volcanic mountains. The Himalayan mountains and the Alpha mountains are young fold mountains with rugged relief and high conical peaks. The Aravalli Range in India is one of the oldest fold mountain system in the world. The, the Appalachian in North America and the Ural Mountain in Russia have rounded features and low elevations. They are very old fold mountains. Black mountains are created when large areas are broken and displaced vertically. The uplifted blocks are termed as horst and the lowered blocks are called as graben. The Rhine Valley and the Vosges Mountain in Europe are examples of such black mountains. Volcanic mountains are formed due to volcanic activity. Mount Kilimanjaro and in Africa and Mountain Fujiyama in Japan are examples of such mountains. Mountains are very useful. The mountains are storehouse of water. Many rivers have the source in the glaciers in the mountains. Reservoirs are made and the water is harnessed for the use of the people. Water from the mountain is also used for irrigation and generation of hydroelectricity. The river valleys and terraces are ideal for cultivation of crops. The mountains have rich variety of flora and fauna. Plateaus. A plateau is an elevated flat land. It is flat topped tableland standing above the surrounding area. The plateaus may have one or more slides with the steep slopes. Plateaus like mountains may be young or old. The Deccan Plateau in India is the oldest plateaus in East African Plateau in Kenya, Tanzania and Uganda and the Western Plateau of Australia are other examples. The Tibet Plateau is the highest plateau in the world with a height of 4,000 to 6,000 meters above mean of sea, sea level. Plateaus are very useful because they are rich in minerals deposits. As a result, many of the mining areas in the world are located in plateau areas. The African plateau is famous for gold and diamond mining. In India, huge reserves of iron, coal, manganese are found in Chota Nagpur Plateau. In plateaus area, there may be several waterfalls as the river fall from the greater height. In India, Hundra Falls in the Chota Nagpur Plateau on the river of Subarnarekha and the Jog Falls in Karnataka are examples of such waterfalls. Plains. Plains are large stretches of flat land. They are generally not more than 200 meters above the sea level. Most of the plains are formed by the river and their tributaries. The river flow down the slope of the mountain and erode them. They carry forward the eroded material. Then they deposit their load consisting of stones, sand, slit along their courses and in their valleys. It is from these deposits that plains are formed. Generally, plants are very fertile. Some of the largest plants made by the rivers are found in Asia and North America. For example, in Asia, these plains are formed by Ganga and Brahmaputra in India and Yaktens in China. Plains are most useful areas for human habitation. Because of the fertile soils, the land is highly productive for cultivation. Landforms and the people. Humans have been living on the different kinds of landforms in different ways. Life is difficult in mountain areas. Plants, plains provides much better condition. It is easy to grow crops, build a house or a road in the plain area. So humans live in plain areas, not in mountains. These are some important points of this chapter. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.